In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify identity on Stripe. So firstly, open up Stripe and log into your Stripe account. Once I've logged into your account, so in order to verify your identity, what you're going to do is simply go to the settings option here, which is on your top right there. Click on the settings option. Okay, so from here, what you're going to do under account settings, you'll see the business option. Click on the business option. All you have to do is simply plug in your business details and add your bank accounts, and in order to verify your identity. So as soon as you completed all these steps, your identity will automatically get verified. So plug in the details of your bank account here, hit on save. Okay, and once that's done, then your add in your personal details here, and then also including your phone verification. So click on verify now, and then plug in your phone number, and they will send you a verification code to your phone number. Just plug that in to complete this phone verification. Once you're done with that, go to your business details, plug in your business details, including the next one, your bank account. So you need to add your bank account. So plug in here, then click on add a bank account, and then add in your bank account. And once your bank account is verified and you completed all these steps, your account or your identity will be verified automatically. And that's how you verify your identity.